Welcome to RTK Adventures. I am TK, and today I received a package in the mail from Russell, one of my friends up there in Toronto. We have been doing some corresponding on Twitter and direct messaging regarding some baseballs that we had access to here in the U.S. and trying to get those sent out to Russell to have from the Minnesota Twins, the Milwaukee Brewers. I had some commemorative baseballs lately, so we went ahead and arranged a way to get those sent up to Toronto since Russell wasn't able to get to the States here with COVID. So Russell sent me this really nice package with some baseballs in it. I'm going to go ahead and open these up and show what I was able to get back from Russell for putting some of the work together to get these baseballs up to him in Toronto. All right, well, I got this box here from Russell. Go ahead and open it now. It's a pretty heavy box here. I'm looking forward to seeing what was all sent here. Fisher Price. Let's get inside. It's definitely packaged pretty well. All right, looks like there's a number of baseballs in here, and they're each individually wrapped here. All right, well, Russell sent me 6 baseballs. We're going to go ahead and unwrap each one of these here. I'll probably speed it up a little bit to go ahead and see what else. But yeah, the first baseball here is a nice Florida Spring Training 2020. I'll get you a nice close-up of that, but a really nice baseball. It's got some marks, some scuff marks on it. Nice Florida ball from 2020. I don't have one of these, so that's going to be a nice ball of the collection. Thanks, Russell. All right, well, here's the second one. Really nice 40th anniversary Jays baseball. This was out at the Rogers Center on their 40th season, which was 4 years ago or so. 1977 was the first year. Nice baseball, nice one to add to the collection. Third one. Very nice 20th anniversary Diamondback, Arizona Diamondback. They had this in 2018. So very nice baseball from Arizona, a nice commemorative baseball. All right. Wow, we've got an Astros 50th anniversary baseball. This was in 2015, the Astrodome. 50 years, 50th anniversary of the Astros. Very nice baseball in 2015. Fifth baseball here is another wrapped one here, and it looks like we have the Nationals baseball 10-year anniversary 2015. So that's a really nice baseball, nice clean logo. Do another nice close-up of that as well. And the sixth ball, which is in a nice Authentics Rawlings baseball holder. And we have a very nice home run derby ball, monthly colored, from 2017. A very nice ball. Thank you, Russell. This is awesome balls to have to my collection. I really appreciate it. Thank you so much for sending these my way. I know that you and I have connected through Twitter and some chat in regards to some baseballs from the previous season to get those up to you in Canada. So thank you so much for sending these 6 baseballs. I'll go ahead and put a nice picture at the end here, but man, this is really cool to have some really nice display pieces here for my collection. So thank you, Russell, there up in Toronto, really appreciate you sending these my way, and look forward to meeting up with you all in Toronto, or when you folks can get back to the U.S. here, and we can go ahead and hang out a bit. And thank you so much for watching today as I unbox this nice package from Russell. And if you like this video, please feel free to give it a like. If you want to go ahead and subscribe, I welcome you to do that as well. So thank you so much for watching.